I'm Richard Waddington from Sherpa Funds Technology. Most PMs have been trained in financial analysis through the excellent CFA or similar program. They've built up knowledge and contacts and have an ability to generate alpha, by which we mean that the assets they select to buy will outperform their benchmark. And when we talk about asset managers having skills, it is these skills that we most often talk about, the skills of asset selection. Conversations are mostly about why the asset manager likes asset X over asset Y. However, the end product of a PM's work is not a selection of assets, but a portfolio of assets. And that is a very different thing. A selection of assets can be described with a paragraph on each asset and some data which explains why the PM likes it. A portfolio of assets requires that the assets are brought together in such a way as to meet some underlying objectives and constraints. And there are a necessary set of conditions that must be satisfied. And this is the second part of a PM's job, taking the set of selected assets and using them to build a portfolio that satisfies all the stakeholders' objectives and constraints. And this is a very different job from asset selection. It is a computational task that needs the right maths and it needs the right questions asked of that maths. And it is very important. Our experience shows that PMs typically leave 200 to 300 bips per annum on the table. To put it another way, Sherpa helps our clients generate 2 to 3% better performance from the same asset selections with no greater risk.